We are talking home renovation with Nicole from Design Tech Remodeling. Nicole, we are at a project that is a great example of how it is possible to get just what you're looking for, even when working with an older home.
Correct, Lori. The homeowners actually lived a couple houses away and they fell in love with the neighborhood, but they wanted to create this open concept kitchen and living space in their new home.
Now, with an older home, it often is a bit more involved in creating an open concept. Explain how you achieved that.
So when you walk in from the foyer, you can see the kitchen and it expands into the living space. But we had to remove structural walls, we had to remove asbestos, things that we find in these older homes that we just have to remediate and take care of.
Now, how did you go about incorporating a contemporary design while still maintaining a cohesive look with the rest of the home?
The homeowners are a little bit more contemporary. They wanted to see their style influence in the space. So instead of wood cabinets, we did the indigo blue with the white countertops just to give it that more contemporary feel, but pairing it with the simple subway tile that still has that reflection of a period type piece.
Well, it really is a striking design. Thank you so much for taking us through this beautiful project.
Thank you, Lori.
And to get started on your dream space, give Design Tech Remodeling a call today or visit them online at designtechremodeling.com.